Here's how to find and delete 3 hidden junk file locations Windows never tells you about in under 2 minutes. First location, Prefetch folder. Press Windows R, type Prefetch and press Enter. Click Continue when Windows asks for admin permission. Press Ctrl A to select everything, then Shift Delete to permanently delete without sending to the recycle bin. Skip any locked files. Windows is actively using those and will protect them. Everything else is safe to delete. Second location, User Temp folder. Press Windows R, type %temp% and press Enter. Press Ctrl A, then Delete. Skip locked files and let everything else go. This folder accumulates files from failed installs, crashed apps, and incomplete updates. On older PCs, this can hold several gigabytes of useless files. Third location, System Temp folder. Press Windows R, type %windir/temp% and press Enter. Click Continue for admin access. Press Ctrl A, then Shift Delete. Skip locked files as before. Bonus step. Open CMD as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and fixes random browser connection glitches. After all 3 locations are cleared, check how much space you recovered compared to before you started. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.